What's good YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So today we're gonna be trying on some makeup. That's why I have half of my face done. I picked up the new FashionNova line, which is MAVEN Beauty. I don't know how new it is, to be honest. I know that FashionNova has always carried beauty items, but they've always been kind of like other brands of makeup. So yeah, let's go ahead and try on this makeup and I'll let you guys know what I think. Let's get started. Okay, so I got a total of 6 items and I ended up spending $48 plus shipping. And that's actually because they had this sale going on. You buy one, you get one free. So it was perfect timing, girl. I didn't even know that that was happening. So I was like, okay, so the first thing we're gonna go in with is gonna be this eyeshadow palette. This is $19. This is called Spotlight. And I don't know about this packaging, you guys. I don't know, it looks a little tacky to me. It really does. It looks really tacky. Okay, so this is what it looks like outside of the little cardboard box. This actually does feel really nice, like heavy. So and it's cute. It's clear. It's orange. Orange is my favorite color. Once it's out of the ugly cardboard box, it's not bad. Anyways, I got the shimmers because I don't really do anything crazy with my shadow, to be honest. So this is perfect. I just do the lid and I'm done. I think I'm just gonna go in with this like rose gold color down here. I'm gonna go in with my finger. Okay, so the first thing that I'm noticing right off the bat is that these aren't creamy. Usually shimmers are a little bit creamy, right? These are kind of dusty to be shimmers. Like if it was just a regular matte eyeshadow, I wouldn't even be bringing it up because those are usually pretty dry. Okay, I'm going in with a smaller and more dense brush. Let me wet this because okay, you know what? I'm just gonna keep working it. This looks crusty. You see how it like is spreading out and stuff? If this were creamy, it'd be like, you know what I mean? I'm telling you, I did nothing different today than what I usually do. So we're just gonna leave it at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the liner next. It's like my signature look, you know what I'm saying? Like I will never not do eyeliner. You know what I'm saying? Like it's definitely one of my favorite things about makeup. Okay, so this is the MAVEN waterproof liquid eyeliner. This is in black and this was $14. Let's go ahead and get started with this. Ooh, what happened? Okay. Okay, it seems like you twist this. Ooh. Okay, maybe I wasn't watching what I was doing. It dripped everywhere. This shouldn't happen. Like even if you squeeze too much, right? I mean, am I right? Or am I right? Hold on. No, ma'am. That has never happened to any of my liquid eyeliner pens. Now I'm scared that when I press it on, it's gonna be a mess. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the eyeliner, once you get it and it's fine, but I don't want to be like struggling with my eyeliner, you know what I'm saying? I want to open it and go. But it's one of those that if you don't have enough ink on it, it's gonna dry out and it's gonna mess you up. But you don't want to give it too much because then it's gonna squirt the way it did when I first opened it. The tip is nice, it's nice and fine. So you're able to do the line as thick or as thin as you want. And I do like that. That's one of my pet peeves about eyeliners when it's a hard tip. This is a felt tip and it's matte black and it's waterproof. Let me go ahead and throw these lashes on. So the lashes that I got are the number 6. And again, this is 100% vegan, cruelty free. So the lashes were $9. I think all the lashes are $9. So let me go ahead and start applying these. It ain't gonna work. It is not gonna work. I pulled them out of its package and I legit pulled the whole middle part out. So That might have been me. I should have been more careful, but that's exactly how I pull all of my other lashes from other lash brands. So I don't know, I'm a little bit upset about that, but whatever, they're just lashes. I'm gonna put the other lash that I took out more carefully on so you guys can see it. And on the other eye, I'm gonna put on the Ardell Demi Wispies, the band for the MAVEN Beauty. It's very thick, it's very hard. This is, it's big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. And this isn't the biggest one. And it's huge, it's huge. Okay, and the band actually wasn't a problem. These are pretty. And they're big, but you can't really tell that they're big because they're very light. See, this one's way smaller. Okay, there we have it. So on the left side here, I have MAVEN Beauty Lash. It's actually very pretty. If it hadn't ripped, I would have loved them. So just be careful if you guys do buy them because they are actually very pretty. I do recommend. Who else drinks a little bit of wine while getting ready? I know I do. All right, so next let's do highlighter. This highlighter here is called Dripped Out, and the highlighter is $19. Okay. Oh, and it has a mirror. This is actually really nice. Okay, cool. A very gold tone. Let's see how it looks. I use a very fluffy brush for my highlighter because I kind of like my cheek to be highlighted. Like, I don't like it when it's concentrated like on that one spot. It looks like it's a line, like, girl, you didn't blend. What's wrong with you? So I do like a bigger brush so it can just kind of go everywhere. Ooh. That's a highlighter. I'm probably not gonna dip again because that was kind of a lot. That is pretty. Okay, that is pretty. I like that. In person, it is coming off a little bit textured, and that's probably because I did too much. You know what I mean? I was like, that was probably my fault. So now I know that you only need one hit and you're good. So beware. But other than that, it is beautiful. It's gleaming, dude. Wow. It's very pretty. Dripped Out. Okay, so the last thing here is gonna be the lippy. All right, so this is in the color Snatched, and it is velvet. Me and lipsticks, you know, I keep it simple. I like just the brown, you know, the brown nude. Ooh, this feels heavy. All of these products actually have some weight to it, and the price isn't outrageous. The actual packaging is really pretty. Check that out. Oh, and it's magnetic. Okay. Okay, let's take it all out. Okay, all right, that's pretty normal. Lipstick was $14, and it seems like they have like 5 different shades. Let's go ahead and give it a go on the hand first. Ooh, it's smooth. I did that because I wanted to see if I needed to put chapstick on my lips before. It's surprisingly very smooth, very moisturizing. So, okay, what do we think, girls? Looks good. I mean, it's a very wearable lipstick. I do like it. I think I'm gonna wear this like every day. It's very pretty and it feels really nice. It's like a chapstick. It feels so moisturizing. I do like it. Maybe I'll add some lip liner to make it really pop, but other than that, I'm not crazy about it, but yeah, it's nice. Okay, so the last thing that I got is the makeup pouch, and this is already dirty because when the liquid eyeliner squirted out, it got all over it. But it's okay. This was 10 bucks. I'm glad that I got a small one because I needed a small one to just put in my purse and not take up a lot of space. Yes. Okay, perfect. This actually fits a lot of stuff in it. Okay, I'm really happy that I got this. So this is the finished look. So here are my final thoughts. So the eyeshadow, pass. Okay, you do not need this in your collection. For $20, you could get any other little basic 4 eyeshadow palette at Walgreens, whatever. This is not worth it, okay? It's basic, the colors are basic. Okay, the next thing I tried on was the liquid eyeliner. It's nice, okay? It's a very nice quality. It's very black, it's very matte. It dries really quickly, which is good. That way you don't have any transfer on your eyelid or anything like that. The only thing about this is that to apply it is such a drag. And look, that keeps happening. It's stuck in there. There you go. It might just be this one, I don't know. But anyways, the formula is good. I would totally buy this again. And it's only $14. So it's actually really good for the price and everything. I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. Now the lashes. One did rip. I'm just gonna blame it on myself, okay? User error. I did it too hard. I did it too fast, whatever you wanna call it. But the lash itself is pretty. Okay, it is very pretty. It's big, it's long, it's fluffy, but it's light, so you don't look too exaggerated. The highlighter I recommend, okay, 1000%. Dripped out is on point. It is very, very, very pretty. It's smooth, it's silky, it's creamy, it's everything that you want a highlighter to be. And it comes with a little mirror. It's a nice one. This was 20 bucks. I mean, and it's a really good highlighter. And the last thing is the lipstick. So the lipstick is nice, it's moisturizing, it's very creamy. It feels nice and soft on the lips. For 14 bucks, you know, won't be upset that you got it. It's fine. You won't regret it if you do get it. But anyways, you guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Please like, subscribe, all that jazz. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions about any of the products, and I will see y'all in my next one.